It moves. Well, welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you? Welcome back to my channel. Now today we're going to do something a little bit different, just a tad different than usual. It's not makeup. I know, right? So this is basically from lacquer. Usually not a nail polish type of gal. I'm not, unless it has to catch my attention. I'm sorry, it has to catch my attention. But what I got into more of these is through Simply Nailogical, and this is a not just any, and I mean any nail polish, because it looks regularly, right? But it's one of these. Not only is it hollow and color changing, but it comes with a magnet. It moves, I mean, to your direction. It even has like this circle one. It's fantastic. So you're gonna see how I'm doing my nails today with these type of polishes. I even have, this is not from Fun Lacquer, but I'll link below where I got this. Is you can see the hollow, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna have interesting little design nails today. So with no further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and put you a little bit closer, and I'm gonna guard my nails with the big polish guards because I'm messy just like with makeup, right? So I'll see you a little bit closer. Well, technically my nails. Give me a sec. I went ahead and put these barrier guards on. As I mentioned, I used the Sally Hansen big polish guard. I know there's like a Simply Peel and all these other ones that are much better, but I do not have. But this is what I use. I get these at Walgreens. I'm sure you can buy them at Walmart or other retail locations. They're not exactly the best because, as you can tell, it keeps coming off. But I kind of leave that alone. Do that. The most important thing is that it doesn't get on my skin. But I'm very sure it's going to be on my skin anyway, because I usually don't do my nails that often, to be honest, unless it really has to be a polish that interests me. Now, a lot of these are from Fun Lacquer. I'll leave their website down in the description below. And they're like an indie brand, but they're absolutely fantastic. Now, this is the Fun Lacquer. Oh, just so you know, they come into these nice hollow packages. It's absolutely beautiful. Now, this one came in this one, the Fun Lacquer, as a premium nail treatment. And the package is also hollow, which is what I absolutely love. Alright, so what I do, the first thing, like a regular base. From what I understand, this brand seems to be like the best when it comes to nails. Because yeah, there's drugstore ones you could use, and I've tried it, but a lot of the reasons I go to the salon is because I'm lazy. I don't like doing nails because it's very high maintenance. I know, coming from me, right? High maintenance. But it just never caught my attention. I prefer doing the shellac because it just lasts longer and is good for photo shoots and stuff. But when it comes to having certain designs, regular works, and it seems like this line, it actually stays pretty good time on your nail. It doesn't fade like the second day, which is what I like. Okay, now they're there. I'm gonna give it a minute to let it dry. Okay, it's about, like I said, these guards. One of these days I'm gonna invest in a Simply Peel, but I just don't, because I really don't do my own nails that often. It's rare that I do. So I'm showing y'all these nail polishes are absolutely just stunning. Now I'm gonna use this one. This is the nail polish. They have 3 different kinds. This is called Believe. It has a little bit of purple, a little bit of green, touch of blue in it. I love the shifting of it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use 3 on my fingers with these, and then 2 with this polish right here, and I'm gonna mix it with this just for experiment purposes because I just want to. And then I may have one hand just this in the top coat just for you can know what it is. So basically 3 is gonna be this with the different designs. I'm gonna have these 2 mix and then this and the top coat together just for you can see all the lovely hollow. This, and I believe if I put the magnet, because it doesn't come along with the magnet, you're gonna have to buy it. So put it in here. And so, like I said, 3 of these fingers are gonna have that. The first coat is going to be sheer. That's just how it is. That one I double dipped. I should have waited, but you know, it's not polish. And then actually with the first coat, from my research, it is good to use this magnet. Not just any magnet's gonna work with these nail polishes, just FYI. So on the first one, I'm gonna do a diagonal. So basically I hold it here for 15 to 30 seconds. Since the camera's gonna let me do it, so hopefully you're able to see it. So I'm holding it diagonally. Now I'm gonna try a second coat. The second coat, they do become opaque. Ignore that mistake. Okay, now that they're a little bit thicker, I'm gonna put the magnet on one of them. Okay, I'm putting magnet really close to the nail, like really close to the nail polish, but it doesn't touch the nail polish, and I'm gonna leave it here for about 30 seconds. See how that became nice in that beautiful line right there? Now, you have to do this while they're wet, not dry, because I just made a boo-boo on that, so that's wet. So let's try the S shape real quick. 15-30 seconds. See, I don't like the circle one so much because it makes it a little bit darker and not so much on the shape. It's weird. But if I use the square one, see? Gorgeous. You saw that? You saw that, right? And let me try the S shape. See, it makes it darker, because if I do it over here, see, it makes the S shape, but it makes it kind of dark. I'm not a big fan of that. Let me try it again over here, but maybe all the way up. Okay, so as you can tell, they're very pretty. Okay, and then I'm gonna use this next to it for you can just look at the hollow on this one. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? And then with this finger, I'm gonna leave this one alone because I'm gonna use just the top coat on this. You're gonna see the magic on this one in just a second. So I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. Perfect. This, just so you know, when you buy this, practice takes perfect, because I struggled a little bit at the beginning, but okay, so far all of these nails have some sort of hollow line on it. And so I'm gonna let these dry before I put the top coat. So I'll be back in about, I'll leave it 5 minutes. Mine, they're not, you know, obviously 5 minutes is not gonna completely dry a nail polish. Don't we wish, right? But I'm so anxious to show you the Foam Lacquer Top Coat Diamond. It's a hollow top coat. Oh my gosh, I know. And I think they're the only place who does anything hollow. Now, let me take these beautiful nail polishes out of the way. I know. Let's get away for the start. Now, I'm gonna do these a little bit different. I'm gonna show you what it does. I'm trying to clear as much of it out as I can. And I'm gonna try to do a very light hand. I'm gonna show you what it does. Just look at it, it's absolutely gorgeous. That's with a very, very light hand. Now for this one, I'm gonna show you what it does when I do it with a makeup sponge. I personally never use these makeup sponges like for anything. I personally don't. I don't think they help in any way, but I feel like they're good to apply like for the nail. Okay, you see that hollow, right? And I'm gonna put this on this nail right here. It's like it covers the nail like absolutely, like perfectly, don't you think? Absolutely perfect. Here's the pinky with a very light hand. Almost like, ooh, galaxy nails. This, I don't want to get rid of that beautiful two-tone. So I'm actually gonna use the regular base and I'm gonna put this on top. If I had like a linear hollow, like those smaller ones, I would have put it on top, but I don't. I just have more of a heavier one. This one, will leave this one alone. And then this one just has the base. So I'm gonna show you what it does with the top coat. I mean, if you can, I mean, there's no rule. And this is what it does, heavy-handed. Because I don't know about you, but there are certain days I don't really want to have actual color on my nails. I usually want something nice and clear. And look at that, base and top coat. Beautiful color. I usually can put this all over my hand and be just fine. So this one, I'm gonna do the same on the other hand. Okay, and just so you guys don't know or freak out, like, wait, does the magnet work? Or the top coat, since it is from Foam Lacquer? I will guarantee you possibly no, but you know, just to serve curiosity. See, nothing. So it just works with these other ones. Like I said, a very light hand. You can still see the design. This is the one with the makeup sponge. Basically, you can make yourself like a little galaxy nail on this one. This was just regular base, just for you to see both colors and a little bit of the design that was on there. This one, I love it, so I went ahead and just left it with the base coat, and this is with the Holo. So I wanted to do my nails a little bit different. This one, you can really see that design, I'm telling you. So I'll be right back. Give me a second. I'm gonna have these dry completely. I will have these off, and I'll be right back. This is the final result of the nails. As you can tell, they're different colors. They have a little bit of that shifting. The design is absolutely beautiful. As indicated, I will be putting all the nail polishes and where it be found, what it's called, all in the description below. The only difference is this lovely blue ILNP Boutique Nail Lacquer. I'll find where I got it and I'll put it in the description below, so no worries there. Like I said, whenever I do my own nails, this is basically the brand that I go to. So, like I said, I'm not used to videotaping nail tours because that's not my thing. These nail polishes, I just couldn't help it. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you find this as cool as I did. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to push the little subscribe button and remember the notification bell. As well as I have this purple blue subscribe button right here. Not only does it show you how many subscribers I have, but in case, you know, you just don't feel like pausing the video, which thanks by the way, just push it and you are subscribed. Sorry, got in a singing mood. Anyways, and also please follow me on all my social medias at Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Snapchat, and on Facebook with the same handle at Enidbluesinger, as well as my IMDb page, Enid Lopez. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And until next time, we're gonna have something fun and exciting going on next. Thank you so much. I miss you. And until next time, remember, we have our get-together time.